Okay, so this is my old LG V40 phone. Um, I got the visible SIM card on it. However, this being a T-Mobile unlocked phone, it really doesn't work. The connection to the Verizon sucks. So basically, it would cut in and out. Visible and LG were great at helping me out, but they could not help with adding the additional APNs. Settings were not um, able to be done, they said. This is a TCL 10L. I got that because supposedly it'll work with the Verizon, and Visible uses the Verizon network. So I'm going to try this out and see how well this works. So one thing about this is that it's $249, so it's not that bad for the price. 6.53 HDR, 48 megapixels, 16 megapixel for the selfie cam, Bluetooth connection to multiple devices, and a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. So let's see if this works pretty good. Okay, so this 10L comes with the SIM ejector tool, and of course probably has cables and stuff in here. It feels like that's what's in here. Yeah, it looks like an instruction manual and actually a nice rubbery it's rubbery case for it, so not bad. Here is the looks like it's coming with the cable and the charger. So when you open this up, the cable and the charger, nice bluish color, TCL, fingerprint magnet obviously. See if there's any battery on this. Okay, it's turning on. Powered by Android. Looks like it's taking some time to boot up. I did stop it in the middle for a bit. Looks like it's loading now. I'm gonna suspend it again. So while this is loading, the 10L, oops, it's not focusing, but come on. Okay, so that's where it'll be for the SIM card install. English, start. Connect to a mobile network if you have a SIM card and start it now. So I will be installing this visible SIM card. Okay, I've put in the SIM card. Connecting to mobile network. Data enabled, data roaming. I'm going to turn data roaming off. Next. Use mobile network for setup. Continue. I'm outside obviously, so I don't have my Wi-Fi to set it up, so I'm going to use this. It's still saying it's taking a while. I did put on the cover. Okay, so connecting to my Galaxy Fold 2 on the hotspot. So this, I tried it on my wireless charger. It does not do the wireless charging, of course. I just wanted to say. Don't copy. It'll be a new phone anyway. Checking info. Okay, I'm gonna set this up. Signed into my Google account. I'm gonna set up my fingerprint. Setting up my fingerprint. Fingerprint edit. Next. I'm going to skip face detection. Continue setup. Okay. I basically canceled everything else on that. Left hand for dominant hand. Yeah, we'll keep that on like that for now. Home screen. Separate screen app. That's what I'll keep it at. Next. Setup complete. Finish. Skip. Finish. So pretty fast on this. Okay. I'm going to download my Visible app so I can install the and activate. Okay, so I just went to check the APN network, Visible Internet, Visible Emergency. It looks like it does not allow for additional APN add-on on this as well. So that's another interesting thing. Hopefully this one works better than T-Mobile.
Okay, I'm using the screen recorder to record this. This is the TCL 10L, and it's not bad. Unfortunately, I can't use it with the visible cellular that I'm using. So, tools, calculator, compass, and radio. You do need to use your headphone to use the radio because the headphone acts as the antenna. Optimize. And basically that just cleans up your system here. NTX Vision. And everything works pretty much the same way. Netflix, Facebook, Visible. Lock. My bad. When I locked it locked up the screen. So Smart Manage. Battery 83%. Normal savings mode. Super savings mode. Battery details. Auto startups. Memory. Notifications. Okay. Smart key. I'm going to be returning it, so I'm not going to set up anything. Google Assistant. Google. Play Store. Gallery. Music. Video. Then scrolling up. Communications. Media. Utilities. Systems. Travel. Maps. Google Pay. Google Play Store. Others. Checking out settings. Network and internet. System navigation, buttons, gesture navigation, back, more, gesture demos, okay, button layout, one-handed mode, game mode, drive mode, smart key, security, screen lock, fingerprint, face key, privacy, about phone. It's a model T770B, but that's the TCL 10L. I did upgrade the software to version 2.0.3CHX, hoping that might work with cellular, but Visible said this phone is not compatible. It's supposed to be Visible compatible, so it's my loss. I'm returning it, getting the different phone. 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 2 megapixels, and 16 megapixels. Resolution 1080 by 2340, 6 gigs of RAM, 64 internal storage, Android version 10, 4000 milliamp hours for the battery. Android security patch was back in July 5. Let's see. Yeah. Build number. Other specs. Let's see. Check for updates. Again, shouldn't be any since I did this yesterday. Stability. Yeah. So system software is 13 gigs used already. Okay. That's pretty much it for this software. Thanks for watching. Okay, this is the video test for the TCL 10, and it seems to be pretty good steady-wise, as long as you're just moving in a straight path, but sideways, a little bit jerky, it looks like. Of course, we really won't know till we watch the video.